It's an amazing feeling to drive an Aston Martin.
It's a privilege to drive an Aston Martin.
They're designed by passionate people for passionate people.
They're clearly objects of desire, and they're a thing of great beauty.
I think it's consistency in the design, really understanding who our customers are.
I think it's something that we want our customers to enjoy. Nobody needs an Aston Martin, but everybody wants one, and we're quite happy to scratch that itch. I think the key similarities between the ThinkPad P1 and an Aston Martin are around that kind of respect and acknowledgement of the heritage.
The ThinkPad P1's design philosophy and Aston Martin's design philosophy are very similar. They both strive for that engineering perfection, but also strive to design a product that's made to be enjoyed.
And there's been no compromise, which is pretty much what an Aston Martin is. My role involves identifying all of the hardware needs for the various work streams throughout the company and then finding an appropriate model of desktop, laptop or workstation to match those needs. Lenovo is present in our workflow right through from the design of the cars to the production. My first impressions when I first seen the ThinkPad P1 was I didn't actually believe that we could get everything that I was asking for inside something as small and light in comparison to other mobile workstations. That was one of the I can't believe this is real sort of moments for me. It's been a gap in the market for so long.
It's pretty impressive when you consider it's got an extremely top-end NVIDIA graphics card and it's just got a lot of processing power.
The ThinkPad P1 really just has a lot more flexibility, particularly in our engineering, where they need to do a lot of work on 3D and different to the type of usage that I have.
The portability in general while you're going around on a wind tunnel, which is not always easy, and going on a track, there's not always necessarily a desk there, so having a lightweight, very powerful laptop is extremely useful. It can take a Xeon processor, which can support ECC RAM when we're trying to load a full car and when we're analysing large simulation results from our CFD post-processing, for example. It needs a pretty powerful machine.
I think cool design is important, but that has to be combined with practicality. It has to tick a lot of boxes, and I think the ThinkPad P1 does that and makes it a useful bit of kit for our team to use. I think a partnership with Lenovo, the key points that I think bring the two together are really well engineered and well thought out products, and we see that acknowledgement of our pedigree and good engineering, and I think that's what made Lenovo an attractive proposition to us.
It's come a long way to be able to deliver this. I hate to use the word game changer, but it is that for us.